This is Farm Management, Chapter 3, Acquiring and Organizing Management Resources. There are 3 farm business activities to be included in an accounting system. We have production activities, investment activities, and financing activities. Production activities. These accounting transactions involve activities related to the production of crops and livestock. Revenue from product sales or other farm revenue is included here, as are production expenses. Investment activities. These activities relate to the purchase, depreciation, and sale of long-lived assets such as land, equipment, or breeding livestock. Records should include purchase date and price, annual depreciation, book value, current market value, sale date and price, and gain or loss when sold. The third activity is financing. These transactions relate to borrowing money and paying interest and principal on loans. Financing activities include money borrowed to finance new investments and money borrowed to finance production activities. Here's a simple exercise from the textbook. In this exercise, you're required to place an X under the columns to indicate whether each business event is a production, investment, or finance activity. Okay, so if we look at exercise 1, the first event says pay cash for tractor repairs. This would be an example of a production activity, as it is considered a production expense. So you place an X there. Second event is to borrow $10,000. Borrowing money is an example of a financing activity, so we place an X under financing. When you pay interest on the loan is part of the financing activity, but it is also part of a production expense. So we place an X under production expense. When you charge $1,000 of feed is also a production expense, so we place an X there. Equipment depreciation would also be considered a production expense. When you sell $12,000 of corn is also considered a production expense. The purchase of a pickup is considered an investment activity, as it is a long-lived asset. And when you pay principal on the loan, the principal on the loan would be considered a financing activity.